is going on, guys? Mase The Barber come back to us with yet another video, and damn, it's been so long since I've said that. I think it's been about 4 months since I posted my last video. This is like my 4th take trying to film this. I just kind of lost the touch in front of the camera. I keep having to restart, but you know, it is what it is. We're back. Basically what you saw at the beginning of the video, that was a little vlog I wanted to do last Friday, but then I just got busy at work and didn't end up going through with it. But you know, I'm gonna start putting out more content. Where have I been? I don't know. I was just enjoying the summer, you know, wanted to take the summer relaxed. All my boys that play hockey in the States, they came back, so you know, we chilled all summer. I've still been cutting. I didn't stop cutting. I just kind of stopped posting videos. But yeah, we're back. Gonna try to be more consistent with the videos, so stay tuned for that. Updates, what's new with me? Not much. I got my nose pierced, got a new tattoo, and I got a bike, as you guys saw at the beginning of the video. If you guys saw one of my Q&A videos, you could see that in it I said how I wanted to get a bike. I think it was this summer. I wanted to get my license this summer and then my bike next summer, but I got lucky, found a good deal, so we got the bike and the license this summer. Been enjoying that so much, and yeah, I just feel like I've been lazy these past few months. You know, I haven't been progressing. I've just been staying like stagnant where I am, but it's time to change that. I'm hoping that posting this video is gonna encourage me to post more, and yeah, I want you guys to hold me accountable, because I'm telling you guys right now, I'm gonna post more content. So you know, go follow my Instagram, Mase The Barber MTL. If I'm not posting, go DM me, go push me to post more, and I'll do it. But yeah, I'm back on the grind. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys want to see. I'm thinking of doing an updated station tour, some more barber tutorials, maybe some clipper unboxings, and I had an idea for a little barber podcast. You know, get a few guests on the channel. But yeah, other than that, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the first video in a long time. You know, stay tuned for the rest. Click that subscribe button, because I'm gonna be posting a lot more. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.